12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We are at the farm. I see a frog, and beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! I see bananas. The bananas are color yellow. Can you help me count the bananas? Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Good job counting. I see a treasure chest. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? Let's find out what's inside the treasure chest. Say open to open the treasure chest. Open! Wow, it opens. There are things coming out of the treasure chest. What is this object? This is a map. That's right. This animal is called a mouse. Correct. And this one is a mug. That's right. And this animal is called a monkey. Correct. Our mystery letter for today is letter M. Good job, kids. Guess the animal. Can you guess it? An alligator. Alligator starts with letter A. Guess the next animal. That is a bear. Good job. And bear starts with letter B. Can you guess the next animal? A cow. Good job. And cow starts with letter C. Let's guess the next animal. A dog. Good job. That's a dog. And dog starts with letter D. What's the next animal? Can you guess it? That is an elephant. You're right. And elephant starts with letter E. How about this one? Can you guess it? Hmm, that is a frog. Correct. And frog starts with letter F. The man is eating noodles. The noodles is hot. Beside the man is a girl eating an ice cream. The ice cream is cold. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Hot and cold are opposites. Hello, children. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. Today we are going to learn the alphabet by playing a game. You need to identify the object and choose the correct letter that starts with that object. Let's start. What is that object? That is an apple. Where does apple starts with? Does it starts with letter A or letter B? What do you think? Where does it starts with? Hmm. Apple starts with letter A. Yay! Very good. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a ball. Where does ball starts with? Does it starts with letter A Or does it starts with letter B? What do you think? Ball starts with letter. It starts with letter B. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a cat. A cat starts with letter C, or letter D. What do you think? Cat starts with letter C. That's right. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a dog. Dog starts with letter. Does it starts with letter C or letter D? What do you think? Where does it start? It starts with letter D. Very good. On to the next one. What is that thing? Those are eggs. Where does egg starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? What do you think? Egg starts with letter E. It starts with letter E. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a fish. Where does fish starts with? Does it starts with letter E? Or does it starts with letter F? Fish starts with letter F. It starts with letter F. Good job. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a gift. Where does gift starts with? Does it starts with letter G? Or it starts with letter H? What do you think? Gift
starts with letter G. That's right. It starts with letter G. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a horse. Where does horse starts with? Does it starts with letter G or with letter H? What do you think? Where does it start? It starts with letter H. That's right. You're doing great. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Quiz channel. Let's learn the alphabet letters. This is letter A. Apple starts with letter A. A sounds ah, ah. This is letter B. Ball starts with letter B. B sounds b, b. This is letter C. Cat starts with letter C. C sounds k, k. This is letter D. Dog starts with letter D. D sounds d, d, d. This is letter E. Egg starts with letter E. E sounds eh. This is letter F. Fish starts with letter F. F sounds f. This is letter G. Gift starts with letter G. G sounds g, g. This is letter H. Horse starts with letter H. H sounds h, h. This is letter I. Ice cream starts with letter I. I sounds E, E. This is letter J. Jacket starts with letter J. J sounds J, J. This is letter K. Kite starts with letter K. K sounds K, K. This is letter L. Light starts with letter L. L sounds L, 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 L. This is letter M. Monkey starts with letter M. M sounds M, M. This is letter N. Nest starts with letter N. N sounds N, N, N. This is letter O. Orange starts with letter O. O sounds O, O. This is letter P. Pencil starts with letter P. P sounds P, P, P. This is letter Q. Kilt starts with letter Q. Q sounds K, K, K. This is letter R. Rabbit starts with letter R. R sounds R, R, R. This is letter S. Sand starts with letter S. S sounds S, S, S. This is letter T. Turtle starts with letter T. T sounds T, T, T. This is letter U. Umbrella starts with letter U. U sounds This is letter V. Violin starts with letter V. V sounds V, V. This is letter W. Water starts with W. W sounds W, W. This is letter X. X-ray starts with letter X. X sounds. X, X. This is letter Y. Yarn starts with letter Y. Y sounds. Y, Y, Y. This is letter Z. Zipper starts with letter Z. Z sounds. Z, Z, Z. Good job, kids! Let's open the eggs and see what's inside. Say open! Open! Wow! It's a dog! Let's open another egg. Say open! Open! Wow! It's a cat! Let's open another egg. Say open! Open! Wow! It's a monkey! Let's open another egg. Say open! Open! Wow! It's a horse! Let's open another egg. Say open! Open! Wow! It's a rabbit! Good job, kids! The Alphabet Letters by Teacher Mommy Chris. Let's learn the alphabet letters by playing a game. The puppy is missing and wants to go home to meet his mom. Did you see the crying puppy? He is so sad and really wants to go home. Let's help him to find his way back home so he can be together with his mom. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the map, and it will help us to find the right direction on which way to go. Let's go to station 1. We must answer the question to past. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a ball. And ball starts with letter B. Yay! We passed the station 1. There's 2 more stations to go. Let's go. Let's go to station 2. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a drum. And drum starts with letter D. Yay! We passed the station 2. There's one more station to go. Let's go. Let's go to station 3. The question is, which letter starts with this object? Do you know this object? This is a car. And car starts with letter C. Yay! We passed all the stations. Time to go home now. The puppy is now happy to reunite with his mother. Good job, kids. You did very well.